Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable and use inbuilt compass in Samsung smartphones and tablets. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Samsung smartphone or tablet and open the Settings app. You can usually find it on your home screen or inside the app drawer. Step 2. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you spot the option labeled Display. Go ahead and tap on it to open the menu. Step 3. Next, scroll down a bit more until you find the Edge Panels option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. If this option is currently disabled, simply tap the toggle switch to turn it on. Step 5. After enabling it, tap on the Panels option. Here, scroll through the available choices and select Tools. Make sure to uncheck the Apps option while you're here. Step 6. Now, return to your home screen. Swipe from the edge of the screen to open the Edge panel. If it doesn't appear yet, don't worry. Step 7. Just swipe down from the top of the screen to access the Quick Settings menu. From there, make sure your location is turned on. Step 8. Once you've activated the location, swipe the Edge panel again, and you should see the compass pop up. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled and can now use the inbuilt compass on your Samsung smartphone or tablet. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.